Hi, Audrey. What are you doing? Hey, baby. You're so beautiful. You have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups?